Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi's channel. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe. Thank you so much. Alright guys, today this was really an unplanned video. I have my auntie that is not feeling too well, so I wanted to make her plantain pepper soup so she could hold down something in her stomach. So I decided to make this video and show somebody somewhere that you could make this if you have somebody with flu, fever or something. This could definitely help. It opens your appetite, and unripe plantain definitely has a lot of nutrients to it, okay? So right here are my ingredients. First of all, guys, this is the type of plantain you're going to be needing. You don't want it to be ripe. Green, even greener is fine. That's all fine. So what you do, you wash this before you peel it because you don't want to transfer germs from the skin to the plantain itself. Okay, so wash it properly. This has been washed with soap and water. I even poured a little vinegar on it just to make sure everything is clean. And right here I have it cut like this. You could cut it into smaller sizes if you don't like this size. I'm going to use a little bit of onions, not everything. Here I have my smoked mackerel. I have a video of how to make yours, so it's going to be floating up pretty soon. And right here is the red palm oil, and of course the pepper soup seasoning. You could make yours if you don't have this, but if you find this in the store, that's fine. Here I have codfish. This is a fresh frozen codfish. I have dried pepper. It's spicy, just a little kick for her. She doesn't really like spice. And here is crayfish. Here I'm using kosher salt. This is kosher salt. It's coarse. That's what I'm using. And here I have, of course, the scent leaf and the little pot I'm gonna boil. So let's go into making this quick video. Guys, I'm gonna be using a vegetable broth. It's very good. If you have bone broth, you could also use that. But this is what I want to use. So I'm gonna put it and also add a little bit of water because this is not enough. So you go ahead and you pour your plantain in your pot. And a little bit of water. Well, you could put as much but not too much. Just make it level up the same level with the plantain. I'm just gonna allow it to boil just for like a few minutes before I add the other ingredients. Alright guys, this is how I wanted it boiled already. So now I'm just gonna throw in anything. There is no special way. Just put in some onions. Just some of this kosher salt. For this one, I don't want to use everything, so this is fine. And like I said, just a little pepper for some kick. It's not everybody that eats pepper the way I do. And the main ingredient, which is the pepper soup spice. If you don't have it, if you have only uda, that's fine. Ehuru uda, that's fine for you. I'm going to add my, this is the codfish. It doesn't take long to cook, so don't worry. The fish will not scatter. The plantain doesn't take long at all. Okay, now this one I'm particular about. I think I'll hold on this a bit. And I'm going to put the scent leaf. The scent leaf takes it to another whole new level. And of course the palm oil. Put as much as you want. There is no specific measurement for the palm oil. Just give everything a little mix and then allow it to boil. And then when the plantain is a little soft, don't make it all the way soft. I don't like when it's so soft. I like it a little bit hard. And then your pepper soup plantain is done, and whomever you're giving it to, especially somebody under the weather, should be feeling, a little bit better than they were before they ate this, okay? So let's give it a little time. Like I said, immediately it comes to, let me say the water reduced just a little bit, like 2 inches. That's done. That's how simple it is to make this. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, go and subscribe. It's not, you don't pay for it. It's very simple. Just tap on it and you'll see a little bell come up. Tap on that bell so you get notified anytime that I upload any video. Okay, I want to appreciate all my returnee subscribers. I keep saying God bless you, and I really truly pray that God will bless you, because without you guys, it's I'm nobody. Oh, lest I forget, this is my crayfish stock cube. Some people don't like to add. It's fine. If you want to add the Maggi one, it's all fine. I just wanted to add more flavor. You know how when you're sick, your mouth is really having this kind of weird taste, so just flavor up your stuff, and then so the person can eat it. All right, so you see what I'm saying? It's almost done. So let me just add my fish for now. Make sure you debone your mackerel properly, because you don't want nobody eating bones. Okay, let me test for salt. Yummy. Tastes so good, guys. It's basically done. You see how simple that was? Go ahead and make yours, and when you're cooking, please cook on high heat, okay? Thank you so much. Stay safe, guys. Stay blessed. See you some other time. Bye.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing.